Quadax, made for the extreme. Outperforming top entry valves for LNG. Natural gas is often described as the cleanest fossil fuel. Therefore, the demand for LNG and its importance is steadily increasing for many countries that want additional sources for their energy supply. At LNG terminals, the imported liquid natural gas is unloaded from gas tankers in special berthing facilities at a temperature of -162 degrees Celsius and stored in large LNG storage tanks. Before it is delivered to the transmission network, the liquefied gas is smoothly warmed up and transformed into gaseous state. The valves are critical components at each stage of this process. The regulatory requirements are stringent, focusing on the specifications for welding connections in the pipelines. Cryogenic and high-temperature welded valves must be designed to enable maintenance of the internal components without removing the valve body from the line. Two solutions are available. Side entry design. Maintenance is difficult for sizes below DN 300 12-inch. For large sizes, maintenance personnel have to enter the line to replace sealing components. The shaft bearings cannot be replaced without removing the body from the pipeline. Here, the trim cannot be extracted. Extraordinary safety measures have to be put in place. Safety first with a Quadax top entry butterfly valve. The central top flange can be removed and an efficient replacement of all parts including shaft bearings is possible in a safe environment, and easy access for service personnel is facilitated regardless of valve size. The Quadax top entry butterfly valve is more compact and lighter compared to other valve types such as gate valves or ball valves. A drastic reduction in weight, especially for larger sizes and valves with higher pressure ratings, allows for simplification of the entire piping system and a subsequent reduction in the costs associated with piping supports. In contrast to the elliptical sealing geometry of a triple offset butterfly valve, the Quadax has a completely round seal. Because of this innovative valve design, the Quadax valve has the following benefits: higher CV values, total round tightness seat, friction-free, has no wear on the sealing area during the closing movement, and a homogeneous expansion and shrinking of the sealing materials. This is the reason why Quadax is the most suitable design to handle easily extreme delta T and keep the tightness longer. Quadax outperformed in the most demanding test on the LNG market, which was based on the requirements of Europe's biggest LNG import terminal. The end user stipulated a test with 10 thermal cycles, combined with an endurance test with 500 mechanical switches. To meet this requirement, a Quadax 4-offset butterfly valve with the specifications DM 500mm and C-Class 150 was tested at the ITIS test laboratory in the Netherlands. The test institute ITIS BV certified that the seat leakage never exceeded the low value of 590 milliliters per minute, and after 500 cycles, zero leakage at all was detected. The fugitive emissions were well below the norm and hardly measurable. The benefits in a nutshell: 100% tightness, higher CV values, meets international standards for approval, wide temperature range, reduced maintenance costs, safety for your staff, lowest fugitive emission on the market, lighter and more compact. The Quadax 4-offset butterfly valve excelled in the most rugged test in the market, outperforming industrial standards requirements, providing clear evidence of its quality and reliability in LNG installations. Our innovative butterfly valves are produced in state-of-the-art, fully equipped 5-axis machining facilities. Quality, expertise and experience are the hallmarks of our production process to bring you products that are 100% made in Germany. Quadax top entry butterfly valve with zero leakage in severe thermal cycle and endurance tests.